Kapag budget na ang pinag-usapan, magkakaiba tayo ng meaning pag sinabing affordable. Unang-una, magkakaiba tayo ng kinikita. Pero higit doon, magkakaiba tayo ng priority ng gastusin. This time, top brands ang pag-usapan natin na makakapagbigay sa atin ng best value on a certain budget. Pero syempre, dapat mag-set tayo ng criteria. Unang-una, matibay, stylish, at hindi masyadong malayo sa budget na 10,000. Pero, ang list na to base lang sa pulso ng mga consumers ha. Itong mga brands kasi na to ang top seller noong 2024. Tingnan natin kung ano tong top 5. Ayan, Timex pala. Bakit pasok si Timex? Unang-una, napakaraming choices at design styles niyan. Malawak yung portfolio ni Timex from sports watches, dress watch, casual watches. Dito lang sa nakikita nyo, unique ang design and it seems like it is inspired by UFC Octagon Cage. Para din sa mga mahihilig sa relo, budget friendly si Timex. At higit sa lahat, very accessible. Dito lang sa Metro Manila, alam ko meron silang 6 na dedicated stores. Meron sa MOA, meron sa Glorieta, meron sa SM Mega Mall, and very often makikita nyo si Timex nasa mga catch-all na watch stores yan. Kagaya ni Watch Republic, sa mga department stores ng mga sikat na malls like SM, Robinsons. Ang kagandahan pa kay Timex, very low maintenance. Napakarami ding designs na pwede mong pagpilian. Ang pinakamaganda dyan is yung aftermarket support nila. Ibig sabihin, kung magka-problema yung relo mo, dalin mo lang sa mga store nila. They will service your watch with almost no cost at all. Agree ba kayo dito? Shoutout sa mga team Timex dyan. At spot number 4 is what I think the most likable brand among this list. Since matagal na sa industry, nakuha na ni Seiko yung kiliti ng consumer. In terms of architectural design and durability, I think Seiko is one of the best among this list. But why didn't they make it on a higher spot dito sa list na to? Kasi to be honest, at the budget of 10,000 pesos, you will only be getting their entry-level models. So for you to get the best out of Seiko, you should increase your budget more than 10,000. Team Seiko ka ba? Comment ka dyan. At our third spot is a wild card. Sikat na tong brand na to noon pang 90s But they make it to the list dahil sa kanilang unique designs. Bukod dyan, kung ang budget mo is around 10,000, marami ka ng pagpipilian sa portfolio ni Swatch. Bukod dyan, they are carrying the reputation of a Swiss watchmaker company, which is known for using high quality materials, precision time tracking, and of course, durability. Comment sa mga team Swatch dyan. Another wild card makes it to the top 2. A Japanese brand that is sometimes considered to be a competition to Seiko. They are known for using high quality materials like titanium and sapphire. What's great about this brand is sa budget nyo na 10,000, marami na kayong pagpipilian. Multi-function watches, stylish, and at the same time durable. What is great about this brand is they are innovative. They are known to be the first watchmaker to use titanium materials dun sa mga bezel ng mga watches nila. And they are also known for excellent utilization of Eco Drive technology. Ito kasi mga Eco Drive na watches is known for being powered by solar energy. And it is meant to last for years. Asan dyan yung mga Team Citizen? And the brand that makes it to the top spot is another Japanese brand, Casio. Sa mga nabanggit na features dun sa mga naunang brands sa list na to, meron din si Casio nun. Unique style, meron sila nyan, yung mga Casio Oak nila. It boasts dual time functionality. May analog time ka na, meron ka ding digital time. Meron sila mga models with chronometer, may stop timer, may LED functionality. Lalo dun sa mga G-Shock lineup nila. Meron din silang mga models na solar powered kagaya ng Citizen kanina, kagaya nitong Edifice. But what really makes Casio stand out amongst other brands in this list is sila yung pinaka budget friendly. So sa budget mo na 10,000, medyo makaka-access ka na dun sa mga high-end models nila. At kung hindi ka naman masyadong maselan o maluho, yung 10,000 mo pwede ka na bumili ng couple watch. isa sa kaliwang kamay mo, isa dun sa kanang kamay mo. Kasi also have a good aftermarket service. Yakang-yakang i-repair yan kasi magagaling na yung mga technicians natin dito sa Pilipinas. Team Casio ka ba? Comment ka dyan. At yan ang ating top 5 brands na magbibigay sa iyo ng best value for money for about 10,000 pesos. Do you agree ba or disagree? Share your thoughts, share us your comments. Salamat uli sa panonood. Once again, this is your channel and your time catcher. Keep watching.